So let's talk about the endosymbiont theory. ठीक है ना? अब eukaryotic cells evolve कैसे हुए from prokaryotic cells? This is explained through the theory. So endo means inside and symbiont means two organisms that live in a mutually beneficial relationship. मतलब दोनों को फायदा हो रहा है. तो एंडोसिम्बायोसिस तब होता है जहाँ पे एक ऑर्गेनिज्म दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर रहता है. So the theory is based on the following statement. It can be said that the two cell organelles of eukaryotic cell, ये कौन से organelles की बात हो रही है? Mitochondria and chloroplasts were once bacterial cells. तो माना क्या जाता है कि a large host cell ingested bacteria, छोटे बैक्टीरिया, तो एक बड़ा बैक्टीरिया था, उसने छोटे बैक्टीरिया को ingest कर लिया. They developed an endosymbiotic relationship and became dependent on one another for survival. And this over the years led to a permanent relationship. And after ages, mitochondria and chloroplasts gradually became more specialized and today cannot survive outside the cell. So basically, वो जो छोटे वाले bacterial cells थे, they grew into mitochondria and chloroplasts and became affiliated with the larger host cell. And this is supported by some scientific evidence that we have because of the striking similarities that mitochondria and chloroplasts have to bacterial cells. So both of these organelles have their own DNA and they have their own proteins जो कि वो independently produce करते हैं और अपने enzymes भी खुद से produce करते हैं. Both have a double membrane around them, ठीक है, which further gives evidence that they were once ingested by a primitive host. क्योंकि बैक्टीरियल सेल्स की डबल मेम्ब्रेन होती है एंड दे आर ऑल्सो केपेबल ऑफ रिप्रोड्यूसिंग बाय रेप्लिकेटिंग देयर ओन डीएनए एंड डायरेक्टिंग देयर ओन डिवीजन. तो मतलब ये ऑटोनॉमसली अपने आप को रेप्लिकेट करते हैं. सो दिस इज द डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द सेम प्रोसेस. ठीक है ना? जहाँ पे an oxygen breathing bacterium and a photosynthetic bacterium were ingested by the cell, and mitochondria and chloroplasts originated as bacterial cells that came to life inside larger cells.